What continent is Philippines in?
Asia? Asia?
Correct! What is the fastest animal?
Cheetah.
Huh?
Cheetah?
Correct! How many teeth do adults have?
34. 34? 34.
Huh?
32?
Correct! Which scientist created the theory of evolution?
Ano? Wait lang. Charles Darwin.
Correct!
Oh! Di ba kaya? Ano?
What is the body's largest organ?
Skin. Skin.
Correct! Oh my God, napakatalino niya! What do you call the movement of Earth around its axis?
Rotation.
Correct! What do you call celestial bodies that orbit a star?
Asteroid.
Wrong!
Celestial bodies.
Yes.
That orbits.
Planets?
Planets?
Correct!
Bongga.
Which subatomic particle has a negative charge?
Neutron. Neutron.
Wrong!
Electron.
Correct! What is the name of the world's largest ocean?
Antarctica.
Wrong!
Pacific.
Correct! Last question. What makes the plants green?
Yung photosynthesis.
Wrong!
Hindi, ano? Sunlight. Sunlight.
Wrong!
Hindi, alam ko yun. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko. Chlorophyll.
Correct! Ano mga names?
Alex. Rain.
Alright, thank you guys!